Welcome to Mercedes-Benz Vitoria, where the revolutionary VLE electric van redefines luxury mobility. The VLE debuts March 10, 2026, as the first vehicle on Mercedes' modular Van.EA electric platform. Van.EA features 3 modules: front powertrain, scalable center battery, and optional rear motor section. Giga-casting technology creates massive front and rear sections, reducing weight by 40%.
Modular center rails extend wheelbase from 3,000 to 3,600 millimeters for different configurations.
800-volt architecture enables 350 kilowatt DC charging, reaching 80% battery in under 20 minutes. Over 100 kilowatt-hour battery delivers more than 500 kilometers range on WLTP cycle. Industry-leading 22 kilowatt AC charger fully recharges the battery overnight in just 5 hours. Artificial intelligence and digital twin technology optimize every production step before assembly begins. Radial flux electric motors deliver instant torque with 95% efficiency throughout the rev range.
Optional rear motor enables 4MATIC all-wheel drive, improving traction and reducing energy consumption.
Rear-wheel steering reduces turning circle by 30%, making the VLE as agile as compact vehicles. Silicon carbide inverters achieve 98% power conversion efficiency, minimizing energy loss as heat. Advanced thermal management maintains battery temperatures between 20 and 35 degrees Celsius.
Orange-coated 800-volt cables route through isolated channels, ensuring maximum safety standards.
Automated guided vehicles transport chassis sections with millimeter precision throughout the factory. The standardized front module houses motor, inverter, and cooling in a single integrated unit.
Laser scanning verifies platform dimensions within 0.2 millimeters of engineering specifications.
High-strength steel and aluminum create safety cell exceeding Euro NCAP 5-star requirements. One architecture supports family vans, luxury shuttles, and commercial variants with 70% shared components. Battery cells manufactured to automotive-grade specifications enter climate-controlled cleanroom facilities. X-ray inspection verifies internal cell structure, ensuring 0 defects before module assembly.
Robots assemble 24 battery modules with sub-millimeter precision, creating the complete pack.
Battery management system monitors 288 individual cells, balancing charge across all modules.
Thermal interface materials transfer heat efficiently from cells to liquid cooling circuits.
Laser welding creates hermetically sealed aluminum housing, protecting batteries from moisture and impact.
Pressure testing at 5 bar ensures complete waterproofing to IP67 standards. Automated systems lower 600 kilogram battery pack into chassis with precision alignment. Gold-plated high-voltage connectors ensure minimal resistance and maximum durability over vehicle lifetime. Over 3 kilometers of wiring connect battery, motors, and control systems throughout vehicle. Power distribution unit manages current flow with microsecond response to prevent electrical faults. DC converter steps down 800 volts to 48 volts for lighting, infotainment, and accessory power.
CCS2 charging port supports both AC and DC charging with automatic protocol detection. Charging calibration verifies communication protocols and power delivery at all voltage levels. Glycol-based cooling system connects to climate control, maximizing thermal efficiency.
Pre-charge circuits safely energize high-voltage systems, protecting components from inrush current.
Insulation testing verifies electrical isolation exceeds 1 megaohm at 1000 volt test voltage.
EMC testing ensures electrical systems don't interfere with vehicle electronics or wireless communications.
Regenerative braking recovers up to 200 kilowatts, extending range by 15% in urban driving.
Comprehensive diagnostics verify 500 electrical parameters meet specifications before final assembly. Mercedes-Benz operating system debuts in van production, matching S-Class technology standards. MBUX Hyperscreen integrates 3 displays in one seamless 141-centimeter curved glass surface.
Central Computer runs MB.OS on quad-core processor with dedicated graphics acceleration.
12 cameras, 5 radars, and 16 ultrasonic sensors enable Level 3 autonomous driving capability. Roof-mounted LiDAR provides 360-degree scanning with 200-meter range for autonomous functions. MB.OS receives over-the-air update capability, allowing continuous feature improvements throughout ownership. Dedicated AI chip processes sensor data in real time, predicting traffic patterns and hazards.
Modular seating system accommodates configurations from 2 to 8 seats with tool-free adjustment.
Premium Napa leather seats feature heating, ventilation, and massage in executive configurations.
Ambient lighting creates customizable atmosphere with 64 colors and dynamic lighting scenarios. The
Burmester high-end audio system features 42 speakers delivering concert hall acoustics. Electrochromic panoramic roof adjusts transparency electronically, reducing heat and glare automatically. 4-zone climate control maintains individual temperatures for driver, passenger, and rear zones.
HEPA filtration removes 99.997% of particles, including viruses and allergens from cabin air.
Electric sliding doors open with gesture control or remote key, featuring soft close technology.
Hands-free tailgate opens automatically when key is detected, with adjustable height memory.
Luxury interior features open-pore wood trim and brushed aluminum accents throughout cabin.
Wireless charging pads support 15-watt fast charging for multiple devices simultaneously.
Multiple USB-C ports and 230-volt outlets provide power for laptops and devices throughout cabin. Final interior verification ensures all systems integrate seamlessly with MB.OS control. Aluminum and composite body panels arrive from storage for final vehicle assembly.
Signature star pattern LED lights create distinctive Mercedes identity, visible from 200 meters.
Complete underbody panels achieve 0.28 drag coefficient, reducing energy consumption by 12%. Active grille shutters close at highway speeds, improving aerodynamics while managing cooling.
Acoustic laminated windshield reduces wind noise by 40% compared to standard glass.
Water-based paints applied in 7 layers create flawless finish with nanoparticle technology.
Low rolling resistance tires optimize range while maintaining comfort and safety standards.
Select brakes blend regenerative and friction braking for seamless deceleration. Adaptive air suspension adjusts ride height and damping for optimal comfort and handling.
Initial power on sequence follows 89-step protocol, verifying all systems before road testing.
Rolling road tests validate powertrain, traction control, and energy management systems.
MB.OS calibration optimizes autonomous driving, navigation, and connectivity features. Digital light technology provides precise beam patterns, automatically adjusting for traffic conditions.
IP67 water resistance testing ensures all electrical systems withstand submersion conditions.
Noise levels measured at under 62 decibels at highway speeds, rivaling luxury sedans.
Master inspectors verify 247 individual quality points before vehicle receives approval.
The multi-angle lighting inspection reveals any imperfections in paint surface before delivery.
Panel gaps measured within 3 mm tolerance, ensuring premium fit and finish. Professional test drivers validate handling, comfort, and performance across various road surfaces.
Stuttgart to Rome journey completed with only 2 15-minute charging stops, proving real-world capability.
Protective film covers all surfaces, maintaining pristine condition during transport to customers. Blockchain-secured digital passport records entire manufacturing history and specifications. Over 5,000 trained employees produced first VLE series vehicles at Vittoria factory. VLE portfolio spans family MPVs, VIP shuttles, and commercial variants on one platform.
VLS variant adds executive seating, wood veneer, and Maybach-level luxury appointments.
VLE targets premium family and commercial segments, competing with Asian luxury MPVs.
Primary markets include China, United States, and Europe, with right-hand drive variants planned. Partnerships with charging networks ensure 800-volt compatibility across major markets.
VLE's 800-volt system and 500-kilometer range exceed competitors' offerings significantly.
EAN.EA platform will underpin all midsize and large Mercedes vans from 2026 forward. Level 4 autonomous capability planned by decade's end for shuttle and delivery services.
Early customer interest exceeds expectations, with thousands of pre-orders already confirmed.
Comprehensive 8-year battery warranty with 160,000-kilometer coverage ensures peace of mind. Specialized technician training programs ensure expert service at Mercedes dealerships worldwide.
Stuttgart premiere on March 10, 2026 will showcase VLE to global media and customers.
Platform flexibility reduces manufacturing complexity by 50% while expanding use cases. Electric operation reduces CO2 emissions by 75% compared to diesel equivalents.
Lower maintenance and fuel costs provide 30% savings over 5-year ownership period. Online Configurator offers millions of combinations for personalized VLE specification.
Purpose-built packages optimize VLE for camping, business, family, or shuttle applications.
Mercedes Me app provides remote control, charging status, and preconditioning capabilities.
Commercial customers access fleet management, route optimization, and usage analytics.
5-star Euro NCAP rating achieved with advanced driver assistance and structural protection.
8 ISOFIX mounting points accommodate child seats in every seating position.
Active brake assist, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping work together seamlessly.
Polar circle testing validates performance in -35°C extreme conditions. Desert testing exceeding 45 degrees proves cooling and battery management effectiveness.
Alpine testing validates performance at altitude, with regenerative braking on descents.
Development fleet accumulated over 1 million test kilometers before production approval. Global supplier network delivers 3,000 components from 47 countries for VLE assembly.
Just-in-time logistics minimize inventory while maintaining continuous production flow. Industry-leading 99.2% first-time quality rate demonstrates manufacturing excellence.
Zero workplace accidents achieved through comprehensive safety training and ergonomic design.
VLE already received Innovation of the Year nominations from automotive industry publications. VLE represents Mercedes-Benz vision of sustainable luxury transportation for future generations. Mercedes VLE redefines electric vans, combining 800-volt technology with